Every case is different, every injury is different, just like every person is different. One of the first things that we do is we have our initial call with our client, where we explore the facts of the case, what our client has to say about what happened to them physically, mentally, emotionally. These calls are important for us to explore whether or not we can help you, right? Whether or not we believe that there is in fact light at the end of the tunnel, whether or not you have a case. And obviously if it's something within our wheelhouse, if it's something that we do handle. What we do thereafter is we set up an in-person meeting with them. We can have that here in our office, or we can come to you in your home. From our point of view, the most important aspect of this meeting is honesty. We need you to be as open and honest with us as possible. It's also important to make sure that during that initial meeting, you have whatever documentation you were provided, whether it's from the hospital, the police, or the individual you were involved in the accident with. The more information and the more documents that we have, the better we'll be able to assist you and explore what we can do for you during that initial meeting. Every case is different, every injury is different, just like every person is different. So what we do is we definitely go through each injury that a client has sustained, and we come up with a plan with them of what doctors we're going to assist them to get into if they need that. The treatment stage of your case is the most vital because this is what your case is all about. So it's very important that we're able to flush out what those injuries are and get you treated for those, because once you settle your case, you cannot go back and seek additional compensation for it. So the treatment phase is vital, that you get the treatment and you get it done right away. A personal injury case revolves around the client. It's your case. You are the one that's going to determine whether or not a case is going to settle or not. If a case doesn't settle in the pre-litigation phase and we enter the litigation, we will work the case properly. But from the day we get the case, from the day that initial meeting we have with each other, we're going to start preparing the case as if we are going to go to trial. So the decision is the client's, and we will always be prepared to go forward with what the client wishes. At the end of the case, once we've recovered money, we go through the closing process of the case, where we will negotiate our client's medical bills down as much as we can, and the case is over at that point. At Pathway Law Firm, we are dedicated to each one of our clients. We intentionally take on a smaller caseload so that we can provide the personalized, individual attention to every single client that walks through our door. We're here to get them the maximum compensation that they deserve.